On June 18th, 2021, the Storm Prediction Center issued a large enhanced risk for a majority of the Midwest, including a bullseye 5 and 10% risk for Western Ohio for tornadoes. I knew this was a day that I had to chase, but what I saw today was something that I have dreamed about seeing for years. Introducing my first ever tornado. Around 3 o'clock, the first supercell fired along the outflow boundary near LaFontaine, Indiana, moving southeast towards the Indiana-Ohio border. This supercell quickly grew in strength and already had a nice hook displayed, and less than an hour later started developing its first tornado near Noble, Indiana. At this point in the storm, there was a tornado ongoing, but was completely rain-wrapped and invisible to our position. This supercell quickly regrew in strength, and after positioning farther southeast, we found ourselves face to face with a large rotating wall cloud.
Was there a vortice on the ground?
Yeah, there was a debris cloud.
Look at, there it is. There it is right there. Look at, there it is. There it is right there. Oh my gosh, we just seen a tornado. Yep, there's a vortice right there. This is about to drop a big one.
Now, with a large funnel developing roughly 1 mile from our location, we decided it was probably best for us to move.
Just dropped another vortice.
Now, farther southeast, past the town of Russia, Ohio, the storm began to become increasingly unorganized and rain-wrapped, and it looked like our supercell was going to be dying.
I'm getting soaked right here. Okay.
As our supercell was cut off by its southern twin, we retreated to a beautiful, dying mesocyclone. Now positioned near the small town of Arcanum, Ohio, we watched the sister supercell struggle to produce anything significant.
I just don't want to get in the hail.
Although this storm did have pretty strong rotation and significant rising motion, it never did produce a tornado while we were on it. We had a long road ahead of us, so we decided it was time to turn our backs and drive home. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please feel free to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Goodbye.